Quiet power, how to command respect without raising your voice. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm thrilled you found us. Today we have a truly intriguing topic to explore, one that I believe can make a significant difference in your life, especially if you consider yourself a quieter individual. We're diving deep into the realm of respect and presence, specifically focusing on how you, as someone who might not be the loudest in the room, can command the respect you deserve. Before we get into that, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you who have been part of our community. If you find the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from our today's discussion. In today's video, we're going to uncover some powerful strategies for those of you who are more reserved or introverted, but still want to establish a strong presence in both your personal circles and professional environments. We'll talk about why being quiet is actually an asset and how you can leverage this trait to your advantage. Whether it's in meetings, social settings, or even in leadership roles, we'll provide you with actionable advice and real-world applications to ensure you feel empowered and heard without having to shout from the rooftops. So get comfortable, grab a notebook because you might want to take some notes, and let's get started. Let's dive in. 1. Have confidence and believe in yourself. First up, confidence. This is key, folks. If you're quiet, you might feel the urge to apologize for it or think there's something wrong with that. But here's the deal, there isn't. Embrace your quiet nature. It's not a flaw, it's a feature. When you're confident in your own skin, people see and respect that. Here's what you can do. Before any meeting or interaction where you need to speak up, prepare. Know what you want to say ahead of time. This prep work will boost your confidence. And when you speak, make sure to sit up straight, make eye contact, and use a clear, steady voice. Don't mutter. Show comfort with your persona. It radiates what I like to call quiet confidence. 2. Establish clear boundaries. Next, let's talk boundaries. Being quiet does not mean people can walk all over you. You need to make it clear what you will and won't tolerate. Speak up about your needs and set boundaries firmly yet kindly. For instance, if you're in a meeting and someone interrupts or talks over you, don't just let it go. Politely but firmly make it clear you weren't finished. Or, if you have friends who frequently cancel on you last minute, tell them straight up, that's not cool. Setting these boundaries shows others that your quiet nature isn't a weakness and that you expect and deserve respect. 3. Speak with purpose. When you do decide to speak, make sure your words truly resonate. The key here is not to fill the silence for the sake of it, but to contribute meaningfully. Think before you speak, and when you do, ensure your words are thoughtful and relevant. This makes people sit up and listen. Here's a tip. Avoid using filler words excessively. Instead, be concise and to the point. Pause and think about what you want to say before you say it. Focus on sharing perspectives that might offer strategic solutions rather than getting bogged down in trivial details. By speaking less but with more intent, you'll naturally draw people's respect. 4. Develop expertise and competence. Now on to a powerful way to earn respect. Expertise. Being deeply knowledgeable in your field is a surefire way to gain admiration. Dedicate time to learning and mastering your craft. The more competent you are, the more your quiet nature becomes a backdrop to your evident skills. Take on challenging projects to showcase your abilities. Be the person who comes up with solutions. Thoroughly research and understand the issues at hand. Continuously invest in your education and stay informed about your industry. When you're known for your expertise, your quiet demeanor will be seen as a mark of contemplation and wisdom rather than a sign of weakness. 5. Listen intently to others. One of the most effective ways to gain respect is by being a great listener. It's not just about waiting for your turn to speak. It's about truly understanding what the other person is saying. Make eye contact, nod your understanding, and give them your undivided attention. This signals respect and encourages a deeper connection. A practical tip, put your phone away. When someone is speaking to you, don't multitask. Show that you're fully engaged by asking questions that reflect what they've just shared. Questions like, what happened after that? Or, how did you handle it? Prove that you're not just hearing, but listening. People appreciate when they are genuinely heard and will respect you for it. 6. Lead by example. Now let's talk about leadership. You might think that being quiet means you can't be a leader, but that's far from the truth. True leadership is about embodying the values you stand for: integrity, honesty, consideration, and kindness. Act consistently with your beliefs, keep your promises, and base your decisions on ethics. For example, if you manage projects, make sure they're completed on time and that you're organized and diligent throughout the process. Treat everyone with respect, whether they're a key client or the server at your local coffee shop. Steer clear of gossip and negativity. Leading by example in such ways can have a profound impact, proving that leadership is not about volume, but about action. All right, everyone, that brings us to the end of today's video, and I truly hope you've taken away some meaningful advice on how to harness your quiet nature to command respect. If you found the strategies we discussed helpful, please show your support by hitting that like button. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel and turning on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos. But don't rush off just yet. If this video resonated with you, why not share it? You can help others find their quiet strength by passing this video along to friends, family, or anyone who might appreciate learning more about the power of a reserved demeanor. We all know someone who could benefit from embracing their quieter side, so let's help them out. We'd also love to hear from you in the comments below. What part of the video struck a chord with you? Do you have personal experiences where being quiet has worked to your advantage? Or perhaps you have questions about applying these tips in real-life scenarios? Drop your thoughts, stories, and questions below. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with us. Remember, your quietness is not a weakness. It is a profound strength that, when wielded correctly, can achieve more than the loudest shout. Keep embracing your quiet self, keep setting your boundaries, and continue to speak with purpose and passion. Until we meet again, keep striving for excellence in everything you do. Take care of yourselves, stay empowered, and I'll see you all in the next video.